In this video, we'll show you how to disable the passcode lock on your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you no longer want to use your passcode, here's how you can turn it off. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Next, scroll down until you see the option for Face ID and passcode, and tap on it. You'll be asked to enter your current passcode to proceed. To disable the passcode, you will also need to turn off Face ID. Tap on Reset Face ID to do so. Now scroll down and you'll see two options: Turn passcode off and Change passcode.
Tap on Turn passcode off.
You'll need to confirm your choice by tapping Turn off. Enter your passcode again for verification. You'll also have the option to decide whether to keep your iCloud keychain active. Once you confirm, the passcode will be disabled. In some cases, you might be asked to enter your Apple ID password to complete the process. And that's it. If this guide helped you, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials.